Today, I'll show you how to change the font color on Squarespace. Whether you're looking to make your website a little more vibrant or just want to ensure your text stands out, choosing the right font color can make a big difference. Let's dive in and explore the straightforward steps you need to follow. First, you'll want to open up Site Styles. This is easy to do. Simply click on the paintbrush icon located in the top right corner of your site preview. The Site Styles section is where you can customize a wide range of design elements on your Squarespace site. So it's good to get familiar with this area. Once you're in Site Styles, your next move is to navigate to the Colors panel. This panel allows you to manage the color schemes that apply to different areas of your site. It's a powerful tool for ensuring that your website's colors align with your brand and aesthetic preferences. Now, let's get into editing the theme. Look for the pencil icon next to the specific color theme you want to modify. Themes might be named something like Lightest One or Dark One. Clicking the pencil icon will open up options for editing that particular theme. This step is crucial because it's where you'll specify which colors to use for various text elements on your site. After selecting your theme, it's time to assign colors to your text. You'll notice a color circle next to each element within the theme. By clicking on this color circle, you can choose a new shade from your palette. If you have a specific color in mind, you can enter its hex code directly. This is especially useful if you want to maintain consistent branding across your site or match specific design elements. Finally, after you've selected the colors you want, don't forget to save your changes. This is a simple but vital step to ensure that all your hard work isn't lost. Saving locks in your new color choices, making them live on your website. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully changed the font color on your Squarespace site. Remember, playing around with different colors can dramatically change the look and feel of your website. So don't hesitate to experiment until you find the perfect combination. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your Squarespace customization process a little bit easier. Thanks for watching and happy designing.